Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rasika Jadhav, your very own tarot card reader, and today we are going to see messages for you for this week. In this video, you will essentially see what lies for you in this week, what are the things you should be careful of, you should be aware of that can come up in this week, and we will also see guidances for certain situations for you in this week. This is going to be a pick your pile reading. So, what you have to do is very simple. Just close your eyes, connect with the universal energies, and in the next frame, I'll be putting up a picture of two piles. You have to intuitively choose the pile which you feel connected with. In case you feel connected with both the piles, feel free to see the guidance for both the piles. So, here are your piles. Hello, Group 1. Welcome to your reading. Come, let's see what are the messages coming up for you. Oh, I already have one message with just a little bit of shuffling. Your first card is the Two of Pentacles. This is very interesting because the short that I have put up today also has Two of Pentacles in it. Let's see which other card you get. Ooh, it feels like the cards are popping out and the universe really wants you to know something. So your second card is Ace of Wands. We'll pick up one more card. Yeah, this one. Your third card is the Knight of Cups. Interesting. Okay, so let's begin with one card at a time. So from the Two of Pentacles now, the what I can see is some of you might get an opportunity to travel somewhere out of town. I can also see that it's going to be a week of multitasking for you guys, but at the same time the universe is kind of guiding you that you will be able to balance this multitasking, so don't get too worked out because of it. I also see that a few of you have been or probably are thinking of doing something of your own, or kind of investing your time in some other opportunity which can get you income. If that is so, this is your sign to move ahead and start that work. Because this card essentially tells us that there might be a possibility of you earning income through some two sources probably. Okay, also if you have any two choices to make, out of the two choices the universe is guiding you to weigh both the choices properly, and whichever weighs higher is the one you go ahead with. Now, your second card is the Ace of Wands. Like I told you guys in the Two of Pentacles. Now, the Ace of Wands also shows us some new opportunity coming up. There's a lot of growth coming up for you in this week related to your career, related to something that you're passionate about. I definitely see you guys working on some kind of a passion project that you guys really love to do, or are thinking of, kind of starting since a while now. So through Ace of Wands, the universe is basically guiding you to just not think a lot, because thinking a lot around this idea is going to just create a lot of clutter. So the cards, basically the this card specifically is guiding you to take the step ahead. Just don't think about it. Take action is what is required for you to do right now, because taking action is definitely going to get you the results 110%. And Knight of Cups again is a card which tells us that you're on the right direction. So if you have been thinking about it, if you have been working on it, then Knight of Cups is kind of guiding you that it is a right direction you are headed into. Be open to opportunities that come up. Don't be very picky is what the card is kind of giving me energetically. It is also saying that you might get associated with somebody who's very loyal to you, or you should probably get associated with somebody who has been very loyal to you. You'll know who this person is ideally, and this person is the one who can guide you through on your journey ahead in this week, right? We'll take one more general guidance for you for this week. Hmm. So, this generic guidance that I have pulled out for you is basically telling us it is three of swords, where it is nothing to be afraid of. To be honest, it is essentially telling us that heal out of anything that you have been through in the past. Related to this particular opportunity, I see that you need to, kind of get over your confusion, get over the clutter that is there in your mind, be very 100% sure what you want to do, and then go ahead with it, and it is going to be a very good time for you in this week. This was your guidance. I hope you like the guidance. I hope you resonate with it. If you've resonated with it, then please like this video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, also please share it with your loved ones. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hello, group 2. Welcome to your reading. Come, let's see what your guidance is. What is it that you need to know for this week? Okay, I think this one was popping out. We'll take this one. So, your first card is the Three of Pentacles. Okay, we are going to take three cards. Yeah, this one. Your second card is Seven of Swords. Okay. And your third card is Four of Wands. Interesting. Okay, so we'll see one card at a time and we'll see what it has to tell us. So, your first card, like I said, is Three of Pentacles. Now, through Three of Pentacles, what I can see is that there's a lot of teamwork for you in this week for sure. The cards are guiding you that if there is something that you have to finish in this week, okay, if there is a deadline you have to get done with this week, there's definitely a need for you to take help from others. There's definitely a need for you to work as a team. I do see that you will stand out as a leader, but even if you stand out as a leader, the card is guiding you to, kind of handhold your teammates and take their help wherever you need, because you will be requiring their help. You won't be able to complete this task just by yourself. So don't shy away from taking their help, is what essentially I can see. I also see that there's some kind of creative work or some kind of out of the box thinking that you will have to do this week 100%. So if there is something of this sort that comes up to you, then the universe is guiding you to not restrict yourself or your thought process to a particular idea. Be open to exploring different ideas, be open to exploring ideas given by others as well. So that's where essentially I see a sense of teamwork that's coming in. But I do see this work of yours will definitely get done properly if you kind of work together along with people. Now, your second card is Seven of Swords. Okay, so the Seven of Swords again is kind of giving me the sense that you would probably want to work singularly and not take help from others. You would probably want to shine alone, probably, or it's almost as if you want to show that you can do a particular thing. But this card is guiding you that if you take that risk, if you kind of just try to do everything by yourself, there are possibilities of this thing getting messed up. Okay, so the cards are guiding you that do not take unnecessary risks, basically. Also, give credit to people wherever it is required. That is going to help you emerge as a good leader. That will help you emerge as a genuine person, and that in turn will help the light shine on you the way you want it to. Okay. Now, your third card is Four of Wands. Again, if you see here, there is partnership, there is there is a teamwork of two people, if you can see. So this essentially card tells me, it's giving me a vibe, an energy that your work will be done properly. There's no harm in kind of working with people again. I'm seeing a very fruitful outcome coming out of this, whatever work you have to finish. This work, when I talk about, it can be a personal thing, it can be a professional thing, it can be anything, any work related to any aspect of your life. Okay, so in terms of relationship, if I see, if you if you're wanting to speak to a person, or if you're wanting to get through somebody and you've had an argument with somebody, you essentially would need to get take help from a third person. So that's how you will have to put it in the perspective of what aspect of your life are you working on, and then kind of take this reading. But overall, I see that it is going to be a very constructive, fruitful kind of a week. Towards by the end of the week, you will see the results that you are wanting to see, for sure. All right, we'll take one more guidance, and this is going to be a very generic guidance for all of you. One sec, just give me a minute. See, like I said, if you do all of the things that have been guided to you in the first three cards, what I can see is that you're going to come out as a very safe, secure kind of a person. Whatever you're intending for is going to be very securely achieved, and you're going to be very, very satisfied, is what I see. So overall, I see that it's going to be a very satisfactory kind of, sorry, it's going to be a very satisfactory kind of a week for you. Just remember, give credit wherever it is required, take credit wherever it is required. Don't just keep on giving, don't just keep on taking. There has to be a balance of it. Okay, so this was your reading for this week. I hope you resonate with the reading. I hope you like it. And if you resonate with this reading, please like the video, share it with others. Also, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel for regular updates and regular videos. See you in the next one.